Alright guys, today we're installing mud flaps on a 2004 Toyota Sequoia Limited. The first step you're going to be doing is to remove your factory flaps if they're still there. I've already done that, so we're going to go ahead and look at what we have. For the front, you'll receive your mud flap, 45mm rubber spacer, 4 black washers, 3 1-inch stainless screws, and 1 2.5-inch stainless screw. On the rear, you'll have your mud flap, 4 washers, 4 1-inch stainless screws, 2 small washers, an M6 bolt and lock nut. Tools required: you'll need a 10mm socket or ratchet wrench, 4mm Allen key, and a Phillips head screwdriver. For the front, you'll use these 3 points as well as this 1 point inside here. And that'll be where this one's where the 2.5-inch will go with the rubber spacer. Alright, to start, get one of the 1-inch stainless screws and a washer. And I like to start this one and just kind of screw it in just enough that it holds itself there. And then you can get the other screws and just get them finger tight. And once these 3 are in, you can kind of get your flap lined up before doing the longer inside one. These mounting holes are slotted so you can kind of play with the fitment a little bit to get the desired look and angle you want. Once you have that there, tighten those ones down. We'll do that inside one. For the inside hole, go ahead and get your screw and your washer, place it in there, get the rubber spacer on the back, and then just screw it into that hole we showed you earlier. For the rears, you want to start by bending this tab back. You want to make sure your flap's not cold when you do this. Leave it out in the sun or inside your house for a little while. And just slowly bend it back. You can bend it all the way to there. You want it to be able to hold about 90. Alright, then you take your flap and you want that back tab that has the hole to go behind here, and then you can get a screw and get it put in place, and do the same with the other 2 right up here. The last screw goes in the tab right in the bottom. Screws in right there. This extra one, if you'd like, you can go ahead and drill through that to give a little extra support, or if you don't want it there, you can leave it out. I wanted a little bit more support, so I went ahead and drilled through this fender liner just a 1/4 inch drill bit and used the M6 nut and bolt and washers. I'll just tighten that up to help secure it in place.